Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathemagic Maths Guru. In this video I am going to show you square root trick. For that you have to remember the table, this is n and n square. So 1 its square is 1, 2 its square is 4, 3 its square is 9, 4 its square is 16, 5 its square is 25, 6 its square is 36, 7 its square is 49, 8 its square is 64, 9 its square is 81, 10 its square is 100. See here, square of 1 is 1, it means square root of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 4, it means square root of 4 is 2. Square of 3 is 9, it means square root of 9 is 3, and so on. Now observe the unit place of a square. So here this is 1 in the unit place, and here this is unit place in its square root. So this is 1 here and this is 1 here. So in its square root this 1 and 9 comes. So 1 is okay in the square. Then in its square root the unit place is 1 or 9. Similarly, if 4 is in the unit place, here this is 4 and this is 64, and in its place this 2 or 8 will come. Now see this 9 here, 49 here, 9, okay. If 9 is in the units place, then in its square root 3 or 7 will come. And this is 6 here, this is 6 here. Then in its place either 4 or 6 will come. And if 5 is there, 5 will be there, 0, 0 will be there. Remember these points very well. That is, if 1 is in the units place of square number, then the units place of a square root may be 1 or 9. If 4 is in the units place of a square number, then the units place of square root is either 2 or 8. If 9 is in the units place of square number, then 3 or 7 may be in its units place of square root. Similarly, if 6 is in the units place of square number, 4 or 6 will be there in its units place of square root. If 5 is there, 5, 0 is there, 0. Let us take an example. Square root of 784. Let us see how to find out square root in an easy method. First, group the numbers starting from unit place. 2 digits first group, and the second group, it may contain 1 digit or 2 digits or many more digits. Therefore, our answer will be in 2 digits. First, observe this 4 in the units place, and remember the table. If 4 is there in the square number in its units place, then its square root number may be either 2 or 8. Okay, it means our square root answer of this number of unit place may be 2 or 8. Now to find the tens place, observe this number 7. Now try to find the square number which is less than or equals to 7. So square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9. This 9 is bigger than 7, so you can't take this. So take this 4. So that is, to get 4 we have to square 2. So 2 comes in the tens place. Now in the unit place may be either 2 or 8. To find out which one, so take this 2 and multiply this with its next number. 2 3s are 6. Now observe this 7 and 6, compare. 7 is greater than 6. So 7 is greater than 6 means you have to take a greater number 8. Therefore we say the answer square root of 784 is equals to 28. This is simple method. Try to practice it again and again. Second example, square root of 15, 21. First, as usual, grouping the numbers from the units place. 2 digits you have to take. This is first group and this is second group. Now observe this unit place 1 is here. So therefore in its square root the digits may be 1 or 9. So our answer contains 2 places. Okay. And for this tens place, take this 15. As usual, take the square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 16. Now 15 is less than 16. You can't take this. You have to take this number 9. That is 3 you have to take here. So 3 comes in the tens place. Now to find out which will come in the units place, either 1 or 9. For that, take this number 3. Multiply this with its next number. 3 4 is 12. And compare this 15 with this 12. You can see 15 is bigger than 12, so bigger number 9 will come in its unit place. Therefore, square root of 1521 is 39. Very simple technique, but you need to practice again and again. Take one more example. Square root of 3844. As usual, first group and this is second group. In this unit place 4 is there. Therefore in its square root either 2 or 8 will come. Observe this 38. You can easily say 6 square is 36 and 7 square is 49. You can't take 49, you have to take 36, that is 6. 6 in the tens place. And to find out which will come in the units place, either 2 or 8, for that take this 6. Multiply this with its next number 7. 6 7 is 42. Now observe 38 is less than 42. So less than means you have to take lesser number. 2 comes in the unit place. Therefore we say answer square root of 3844 is equals to 62. Very easy technique. You have to practice again and again. Take one more example. Square root of 8836. As usual, first group contains 2 digits. Second digits may be 2 or any number. So observe this 6 in the unit place. Therefore its square root may contain either 4 or 6 in its unit place. So our answer contains 2 parts. And for this tens place, take this 88. You can observe that 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Now this 88 is okay, less than 100, so you can't take this 100. 81 you have to take, so that is 9 comes in the tens place. For the in place, take this 9, multiply its next number 10, 9 times 90. Observe 88 is less than 90. Less than means take smaller number. 4 comes in the ins place. Therefore, we say square root of 8836 is equals to 94. Very easy method. You need to practice again and again. Take one more example, little big number this time. 1, 1, 2, 3, 6. First group the numbers. First group always 2 digits. Second group maybe 1 or 2 or many more group digits. So our answer comes in 2 groups. And see this 6 is in the unit place. So therefore its square root may contain either 4 or 6 in its unit place. That is 4 square is 16. 6 square is 36. So 6 comes in the answer. Therefore now see this 112. Observe 10 square 100, 11 square 121. 112 is less than 121. You can't take this. You have to choose 100. That is 10 you have to take. 10 comes in the second group answer. Now taking 10 and multiplying it with its next number 11. So answer is 110. Comparing 112 with 110. So you can see that 112 is bigger than 110. So choose bigger digit. 6 comes in the in place. Therefore we say answer square root of 11236 is equals to 106. Very easy technique. You have to keep practice again and again. One more example. Square root of 13689. As usual, group the digits. First group 2 digits. Second group maybe more digits. So our answer comes in 2 groups. And see this 9 is in the unit place. So its square root may contain either 3 or 7. Because 3 square is 9. 7 square is 49. So 9 comes in the unit place. And for this second group answer, observe 136. Okay, 11 square is 121 and 12 square is 144. So you can't take 144. You have to take 121. That is 11 comes in the second group answer. Again taking 11 and multiplying it with its next number 12. So 132 comes. Observe 136 and 132. 136 is bigger than 132. So choose bigger digit. 7 comes in the units place. Therefore square root of 13689 is equals to 117. Very easy and powerful technique. Keep practicing and keep watching the video again and again. Thank you very much.